Welcome to Quzzical. Get ready to put your Avengers knowledge to the test. Are you the ultimate fan? Let's find out in this epic Avengers quiz. Who is the first Avenger to be introduced in the MCU? Iron Man. Which Infinity Stone does Loki use in the first Avengers movie? Space Stone. Mine. Who sacrificed themselves to obtain the Soul Stone in Avengers Endgame? Black Widow. Who is the king of Wakanda? Black Panther. What species is Groot? Thor and Colossus. What is Tony Stark's superhero name? Iron Man. Which Avenger is from Asgard? Thor. Who wields Mjolnir after Thor in Avengers Endgame? Captain America. Who is the director of SHIELD? At the beginning of the Avengers Initiative. Nick Fury. Who created the Avengers Initiative? Nick Fury. Who is the Scarlet Witch's brother? Quicksilver. In which movie does Spider-Man officially join the Avengers? Avengers Infinity War. What does SHIELD stand for? Strategic Homeland Intervention, Enforcement, and Logistics. Which Avenger is known for saying, "I can do this all day"? Captain America. In which country was the Mind Stone discovered? Sokovia. Who is the director of SHIELD? When the Avengers assemble for the first time? Nick Fury. What is Black Widow's real name? Natasha Romanoff. In Avengers Endgame, who wields both Mjolnir and Stormbreaker in the final battle? Captain America. Which Avenger has a son named Morden? Iron Man. Who was the villain in Avengers Age of Ultron? Ultron. Who retrieves the Soul Stone on Vormir in Avengers Endgame? Both A and B. What type of doctor is Doctor Strange? Neurosurgeon. What kind of animal does Rocket think Thor resembles in Avengers Endgame? also The Incredible Hulk 2008. Tony Stark, who is known for wielding the mystical eye of Agamotto. Doctor Strange. Who is Thanos' adopted daughter? Both A and B. What does Tony Stark's daughter ask for at the end of Avengers Endgame? A cheeseburger. In which movie does Black Panther first appear? Captain America Civil War. What is Hawkeye's real name? Clint Barton. What is Captain America's shield made of? Vibranium. Who was the first character to say Avengers Assemble? Captain America. Who is the sister of Black Panther? Shuri. Which Avenger has a daughter named Cassie? Ant-Man. Who plays the role of Loki in the MCU? Tom Hiddleston. What kind of animal does Goose the Cat in Captain Marvel turn out to be? Lurkin. Who is the artificial intelligence that assists Tony Stark and later becomes Vision? JRVIS. Who is the main antagonist in Avengers Infinity War? Thanos. What is the name of Thor's hammer? Mjolnir. Who says we have a Hulk in the Avengers? Tony Stark. What is the Red Skull's role on Vormir in Avengers Infinity War? Tied to the Soul Stone. Who does Thor team up with in Thor Ragnarok? Both A and B. What is Falcon's real name? Sam Wilson. Who becomes the new Captain America in The Falcon and the Winter Soldier? Sam Wilson. What is the set of instructions Bruce Banner gives to Black Widow to calm him down? The lullaby. Which Avenger said puny god? Hulk. Who created Ultron? Tony Stark and Bruce Banner. Which Avenger can shrink and grow in size? Which character became Captain America's partner in the 1940s? Bucky Barnes. What is Star-Lord's real name? Peter Quill. What is Loki's relationship to Thor? Adopted brother. Who leads the Avengers in Avengers Age of Ultron? Captain America! What is the name of Black Widow's sister figure in Black Widow? Yelena Belova. Which superhero is known as the Merc with a Mouth? Deadpool! Who is the actor that plays Thanos in the MCU? Josh Brolin! What year was the first Avengers movie released? Who said the line, "I am Iron Man"? Iron Man. Who is the villain in Thor: The Dark World? Malekith. What is Doctor Strange's primary weapon? The Eye of Agamotto. Who is the first villain the Avengers face together? Loki. Who is the leader of the Guardians of the Galaxy? Star-Lord. Star-Lord! What is the name of Thor's father? Odin. Thor. Avengers in Avengers Endgame. Captain America. Who was the main villain in Doctor Strange? Dormammu. What's the Hulk's real name? Who is the Scarlet Witch? Wanda Maximoff. Who is Thor's mother? Frigga. What is the name of Thor's axe? Thanks for joining us on Quzzical. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quizzes. See you in next one.